Man, your doors are trying to flex off and all the pressure out of a no-wall system. This is insane, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. Woo! It's a pretty steep box. Wow. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice. These are XT3s?
Yeah.
Okay. On a 16K, wow. Looks good. Device or USB? Oh, you're having head unit pops. Yeah, where this, what's behind here will probably break loose from vibration. I like the box layout too. Is there a way to see the port or does it not open? Kind of. Oh, don't worry about it, man. Oh, okay. Is there arrow ports back there or a slot? Oh, in the center? Okay, got it.
I'm going straight for they top. Money train Glock North can't be stopped. Yeah, Atlanta bitch tryna give me this mob. Slide, bitch, top, yeah. Stripper bitch tryna fuck me out my socks. I just bought a house, yeah, I'm talking about my wall. Hey, you gotta watch it, cause bitch is wild. Yeah, hey, ain't gon' dead like go, man.
doors are trying to flex off and all the pressure out of a no-wall system. This is insane, man. Nice job. Thank you for the demo.
No problem. Anytime.
Awesome, Paul.
Anytime.
So you're King K. I see the sticker in the back. All right, man. Thank you. I like the box layout too. You were pulling snot out my nose. All that bass. Have a good day, Paul.